Nextracker acquired for $119 million all cash. Acquisition of solar foundation specialist Ojo further enhances its global smart solar tracking leadership in scaffolding and software solutions. As the level of vehicle electrification and automation increases, automotive industry as response to smart driving semiconductors, the demand for localized supply of chips is increasing. The United States and Europe are actively building local semiconductors production facilities to reduce dependence on Asian supply chains. Jinko Solar announces agreement with Kiefer, supply of SunTerra large-scale energy storage system to Athens International Airport. Help it become a global, the first 100% self-owned international airport. The National Energy Administration announced that on June 30, officially launched the National Green Certificate Issuance and Trading System, aiming to improve the efficiency of green certificate issuance and promote renewable energy power consumption. With the rapid development of new energy automobile industry, China's power battery electrolyte demand increases significantly. Shipment volume in year 2023 reached 111 million tons, a year-on-year increase of more than 30%. The electrolyte industry has broad prospects. German research team is testing photovoltaic modules, new concept for integration into road and railway soundproof walls, designed for new construction and renovation projects. Cost-effective power generation solutions. PSR estimation by Itaipu hydropower station in Brazil. Construction of large-scale floating solar power stations. The hydropower station's power generation capacity could almost double, demonstrating the huge potential of hybrid hydro-solar power systems. In Italy's latest renewable energy auction, G-Star dei Servizi Energetici assigned 145.5 megawatts of photovoltaic capacity and 97.8 megawatts of wind energy capacity, 0.0732 euros per kilowatt hour.
点击关注，把握每日海内外最新能源资讯。